love my natural hair, but on a lazy day, this puff is the go-to. I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize and seal my hair daily when I'm being lazy. So this is about a 3-day-old wash and go, and I just put my hair up in a puff for going to bed. And I'm using Bodyworks Marshmallow collection, and this is the leave-in conditioner. I like to spray the leave-in conditioner all over my hair and follow it with the hydration serum that they have. It really does a good job of locking in moisture, and it's very lightweight, so it doesn't weigh my hair down. I don't like using heavy products on my hair because I don't really like product buildup. So now I'm going to go in with my Bodyworks Natural Pudding Souffle, and this is basically just a cream moisturizer, just to kind of lock in that leave-in conditioner that I used. So I'm going to be using the LCO method, or in this case the LCG method, because I'll be using the gel, to kind of moisturize and lock in that moisture and seal it in. You see, my Wetline Xtreme Gel is almost gone because I love this stuff. This is my favorite gel in the whole wide world. It's very lightweight and it has a great hold, but still leaves my hair very soft. And that's what I'm going to be using to seal in this moisture that I just put in there. So now I'm going to be taking a stocking cap or a little pantyhose. Dana actually put me on to this, and so I get these pantyhose from CVS or Walgreens or the dollar store or Walmart, and I can make about 5 or 6 little hair ties out of these pantyhose. I just put them around my hair like so and tie it in the back. And it puts a lot less tension on my hair than hair ties, and it allows me to make my puff as big and full as I want it to be, with less tension around my edges. So now, of course, I'm going to take my toothbrush and whatever gel I have left to try to slick these edges down. I like to go in with the Wetline Xtreme Gel first because the gel, even though it has it's like a soft hold, it kind of like prepares my hair for the edge control that I use. So you can see there's still some like curls kind of sticking up, but that's okay. I'm going to go back over it with a thicker edge control. I just like to go over it with this Wetline gel first to kind of mold the direction that I want my edges to go. So I'm going in with my Mielle Organics edge control, and as you can see, it just sticks it right in place. I already have my edges done, and it just kind of makes them stick there. I don't like using the Mielle Organics edge control by itself because it leaves kind of like a residue. So I find that when I use the Wetline Xtreme Gel first, I don't have as much residue from the Mielle Organics edge control, and I don't have to use as much either. So then I'm just going to tie my scarf around my edges to lay them down while I get dressed for the day. And this is the final result. Like clockwork every single time. I love this puff. It is one of my favorite styles. In my next video, I will show you guys how I kind of wash and condition and maintain my hair and kind of get my curls like this. That's all I have for you guys today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.